This is an LST library training video for how to use the library catalogue called Library Search. We'll start at the beginning of the library search catalogue. The URL at the top here is librarysearch.lst.ac.uk. Type that in and you'll come to the front page. You'll see there are a number of things on the front page for both visitors and members of the college. You can see opening times, and if you're a visitor, how much the fees are, and when you can come along. And there's an index to everything, so that's all very useful. This stimulating little carousel of pictures just gives you a visual taste of what's in the library. So basic library search, anyone can do it. You don't need to sign in to do this level. So I'm going to type Introduction New Testament. You don't have to type every word of the book you're looking for, and that's just a subject search, really. We have 536 results. You can see that the words of your search are highlighted in red in each entry. Down the left-hand side, it says refine your search. You can see all the authors from all the books that have been found for you, all gathered together, and how many times they occur. Then you have the different areas of the library. You can see A and C are both the Bible and the New Testament. If you want to go into one of the entries to find out where it is in the library, click on the title, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that there is the item type, a book, which means that it's a book, obviously, and then shelving location. It's split. The New Testament section is split between two rooms, the lower main room and the Max Turner room. When you're here, you can use the maps on the wall next to the search computers in each room to see where the general areas are around the library. The shelf mark, once you get to the right shelf, you'll see a list of the topics by shelf mark. That's the part before the stroke in the shelf mark thing. So, and then the NEU, you can see here, it's the first three letters of Neunzeit, which is the author. Now, you'll notice here it says Browse Shelf. If you browse shelf, you can simulate being here in person, and it will show you everything that's around it on the shelf. You can see they're in alphabetical order, left to right, and that's quite a useful tool as well. If you want to find things more quickly and you know the author and title, click on the advanced search just at the top left-hand side, and you can see you can change these fields to title and to author, and that will help you find things more specifically if you know more or less what you want. Down the bottom are different media, so you can change the different media. You could even do a search if you clear the form, and where's the clear form? New search, yes, and then ticked ebook. You could see all the ebooks that we have in our catalogue as well. So you can access those when you're on site. So that's the basics of the library catalogue. There isn't much more to it for visitors and people who haven't signed in. Thank you for watching.